Hey guys, so today what we're going to be doing is installing my new Vance and Hines FP4 to my bike. So first what you need to do is basically first you have to download the app from Vance and Hines Field Pack 4. So you go to the Apple Store or Google Store and you just download the app from there. What next is that you open up this cover. It's a Fatbob. I believe most of the software have the same setup. Easy to remove. Go. That's the data port, the red one. Now take the Vance and Hines FP4 out of the pack. Just connect it to the data port here. Just like that. And then you need to open the app from the phone. Before you open the app, motorbike needs to be first open the app and then let's switch on motorbike. And now it's blinking. Right. Yeah, found the FP4. So I'm connecting to it now from the phone, like that. Yep. So next thing you gotta have to do is go to map lookup and it says install the update. Okay, it's installing the update. Alright, updating is done. Now you gotta have to choose the exhaust manufacturer. For an example, doesn't give you much choices. So only give you Vance and Hines. Well, another update is that if you have another type of exhaust, it only gives you option for Vance and Hines exhaust and stock HD exhaust. Mine has a Cobra, but it doesn't give you that option, so I'm not sure. So I just went ahead and choose Vance and Hines. We'll see how it goes. I'll get back to you. So the mapping part is done. It took like 3 minutes and now it is asking me to turn off the bike for 30 seconds, which I have already done it. So we'll have to wait for 30 seconds to see what happened next. It's asking me to turn on the bike. Now I turn on the bike and it says map was successfully transferred. So you just have to press done. And I guess that's it. I gotta have to run the bike to see how it works. As you can see, it's already working. You can see the RPM and everything. Right.
And that's it. It's done. So auto tuning and everything can be done, but we gotta have to take out the bike for a spin. Probably drive a little bit more to auto tune it properly. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in the upcoming days. Next thing you gotta have to do is take that FP4 inside, and then just put the cover in. And that's it. Thank you.